Hello everyone, Inspire Infotech Ranebennur. Now I am going to explain Mosquito Trapper. Now I am going to explain the model Mosquito Trapper. Materials which we've used in this Mosquito Trapper model: plastic pot, LED strip, LED bulbs, UV light, high RMP motor, jar and connector. Synopsis: during a rainy season, use of mosquito coil or a mosquito repellent or use of any pesticides, but it's very harmful to animals and human beings. So we decided to research a mosquito trapper. Mosquitoes and other insects are attracted by the UV rays. So we can design mosquito trapper for handmade by a simple method. By the research mosquito trappers, mosquitoes and other insects are attracted through the ultraviolet radiations. When mosquitoes are come here through the ultraviolet radiations, it will die, and through the RMP motors it will go inside the jar.